Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
And I just have to tell you about something that I've added to my evening routine, this Glanzstuck Berlin acupressure mat set. Because of my job, I typically end up with some sore muscles at the end of the day. Sometimes I deal with lower back issues too. But by laying on this acupressure mat each night, I have just felt so much better when I go to sleep. I'm relaxed and I can feel tension released from my tight muscles. There are two sizes available for this mat. I got the extra large, which includes two additional pieces that you can configure to either make the mat longer or wider. I just love that I can adjust the configuration of this mat to really focus on the problem areas I need for any given day. There are about 10,000 spikes on this mat in total, and they're placed to activate pressure points on your body. The spikes are made of a hypoallergenic plastic. They are pretty sharp, so they take some time to get used to, but I started using them wearing thin, long pants and a shirt, and eventually I was able to put my skin directly on the spikes. After about 15 minutes laying on the mat, I definitely feel tingling all over my body. I can tell my muscles are relaxing and it feels really good. The other thing I just have to mention is that you can remove the inner pieces of this mat and you can heat them in the oven 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and this will add to that relaxation experience. I really love using my Glanzstuck Berlin acupressure mat. It's helped me with a lot of muscle issues that I have been experiencing.
And that's my point of view.